don't need a firearm to graze livestock. You need a stick, a huntsman's stick, to graze livestock. Therefore, all people who have firearms which are not lawful must surrender them voluntarily, or we will get them by force. And we will get them. I want to commend particularly Samburu County. It is leading in the number of recovered illegal arms. And I want to congratulate the officers there and the leaders for supporting this government effort. But even the places where we've not recorded much surrender will acquire those weapons. It's just a matter of time. We will venture going forward to long-term solutions to northern Kenya and northern Rift Valley, because the permanent solution is to provide water points for animals to avoid unnecessary migration. But we are also going to open up the north of our country with infrastructure development and social amenities, roads, hospitals, water projects. And it's no longer a development issue, it's a security issue. So already a master plan for that region has been concluded, and we'll roll it out. It's going to take a bit of time, but we are going to mobilize resources from within and without government to transform the north of our country once and for all. I have said before when I appeared before Parliament, the future economic stability of this country lies in us securitizing large tracts of our country that remain unsafe, and therefore they cannot attract local and foreign investments. And many of our people, the huge number of our population, is struggling in a very small space of our country. Yet we have a huge country which remains with untapped potential because of insecurity.